All right, let's jump into this one where we're writing point slope form. We have 2 points, so we're going to need two really important things. We're going to need the point slope formula, and we're going to need the slope formula. So the slope formula is one that you probably see way more often than the point slope formula. So let's actually find the slope first. So with 2 points, you know how to do this. Here's our first x and y. Here's our second x and y. If you don't, always watch a video just on finding the slope. But here we go. So I'm subtracting. M is always, that's the letter for slope. Subtracting y sub 2 minus y sub 1. So 4 minus negative 1. Minus a negative, notice I just automatically put it as a plus. 4 minus negative 1 is 4 plus 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So the second x is negative 4 minus the first x was 3. All right, 4 plus 1 is 5, and negative 4 minus 3 is negative 7. So that's a negative 5/7 slope. Okay, so that's what I needed. Now I've got everything I need. I'm ready to do the formula. So it's y minus y sub 1. The first y was negative 1. Y minus negative 1 is the same as y plus 1 equals m. We just figured that out. Negative 5/7 times x minus first x. X sub 1 is 3. So I put a 3. That's it. That's the answer. It's kind of nice. I like point slope for that reason. All right. See you next time.